That's how it would scare him and he'd laugh. You ready? Ready? Are you ready?
Couldn't give him whiplash.
Yesterday he thought it was funny. He was cracking up yesterday.
Jordan. Hey. What are you doing? Hey. Look at me. Would you look at me? I am your dada.
Whoa, where are you going? You crazy kid. You crazy kid. Where are you going, you crazy kid? Where are you going, you crazy kid? Crazy.
Trying to get that foot. It's caught in his pants.
I'm trying to eat his pants.
Oh, fat baby.
Trying to eat